What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Good morning. We got some red out there today on the long weekend. Everybody's gone. Um, everybody's out with their families. Everybody's at the beach. Everybody's having fun. Hopefully, you guys are out touching some grass, enjoying your weekend in the U.S. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying it, guys. If you're not, do not sit there and stare at your screens today, guys. Don't look at your portfolios. Get out there and enjoy the July 4th weekend, man. Have some fun. Watch some fireworks. Make some fireworks. Make some babies. That's how it's done, guys. Everything is still looking good to me. Jasmine down 4% on the day, 7 on the week, 19 on the month, and 52 on the year. Down one spot in rank to 99, a $582 million market cap, and 38 million in volume. Swift Coin down 2.2 on the day, 2.3 on the week, 17 on the month, but up 127 on the year, up 4 spots in rank to 305. $104 million market cap and 827,000 in volume. XCN down 4 on the day, 10 on the week, 12 on the month, but up 751 on the year. Down 2 spots in rank to 114, $471 million market cap, and 16 million in volume. And ZVIC down 5.7 on the day, 24.3 on the week, 45 on the month, but up 151 on the year. Down 1 spot in rank to 175, $256 million market cap, and 17 million in volume. So today, guys, I will be doing some big time shopping. I will be doing some DCAing like crazy. So Bitcoin, we've come back down and perfectly retested the top trend line on the bull flag of the breakout. So will we hold above that line? That's important, guys. If we do come down, we've touched the top trend line. If we can hold above it for the candle close, that would mean a successful retest of the breakout, right? Which is exactly what you want to see, right? You want to see a successful breakout, and then what happens is you move back to the upside. Now, I was kind of hoping we would chop here, and we may still come all the way back up over this. Where are we? About $108,400. We could come back up there before the end of today. It's only like a $500 move, right? I know it seems like a lot, but it's only like a $500 move from here to here. So we're at $107,453. So it's not a big move to get back over the former resistance. We're trying to flip it into support. So will we come back up and close above there? Well, only time will tell. We've got about 7 hours and 29 minutes left of this daily candle, so we certainly do have the time for it. But we are seeing low volume, low action taking place because, everyone's off for the weekend. Everyone's enjoying themselves, right? As well you should be. So if you are, I am happy for you. While you're gone, I'm going to do some DCA. Okay, so moving over, what do we have in the news? But first, as we always do, guys, we got to give a quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. They got a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet. You can use our link down below, get a phenomenal deal with all of the North Korean hacks going on with exchanges institutions like Uphold, Link2, locking people out of their crypto and not being able to have access to your stuff. Get yourself a self-custody wallet today, guys, where no one can tell you you cannot touch your crypto. You can swap, take profits right on your Decent wallet. You can even stake throughout the entire bear market, either your crypto or your stable coins right here on your Decent wallet. Or get the card wallet today, guys. A small price to pay to keep your crypto safe in your own self-custody. Again, use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. That's just how it is. All right, let's get into the news a little bit here. So Swift blockchain introducing Swift lending. Yes, that's right, guys. Swift has now taken another giant leap forward into the decentralized finance narrative, as they are now operating as a lending protocol as well, similar to your Onyx coins or your XPRs, right? Need liquidity without selling your crypto? Swift Lending by Swift Blockchain has you covered. Borrow up to $200,000 in USDT or BTC equivalent. Approvals in a fast as 1 second. No credit check, just BTC or USDT as collateral. Flexible terms and low daily interest. Right? Absolutely fantastic, guys. I'm not telling you to go do this. I'm just telling you, we've taken another giant leap forward into the decentralized finance narrative for Swiftcoin. This is a big development for the project, guys, as we continue to grow. Very, very bullish. Very bullish indeed. What else do we have, guys? Moving over to Dpin a little bit. Solana daily tweets out. Solana is home of Dpin and is growing with more projects. Check out the notable Dpin projects by market cap on Solana in the last 30 days. Zbeck right here. That's right, baby. You know Zbeck. You know it. You love it. Hive Mapper, another one of our gems over on the Patreon. And we move down the list. And what do we have? That's right, guys. Nadex, another one of our gems. You absolutely love it, guys. 3 of our gems are top Dpin plays on the Solana ecosystem. You absolutely love to see that. If you want more of our picks, guys, get over to the Patreon. We drop daily picks over there every single day. Speaking of Nadex, guys, Nex Network, June was like a breath of fresh air. Here's what we achieved this month. Another 257,000 drivers, another 185 million kilometers, 981 million in data, 2.99 billion Nadex staked now, 318 million tokens burned, 712 kilometers mission completed. Kilometers. 712,000 missions completed. VX360 UK sales started, which is the product that they designed for Tesla. If you don't know, the VX360 also show off extended. 2 new Dpin partnerships and a community AMA. Absolutely bullish, guys, with another massive month for Nadex as they continue to grow. And people keep asking me, is Nadex still a good buy? The answer is an astounding yes, in my opinion. You do not want to sleep on Nadex. Could this be one of the signals for altcoin season being right around the corner? Spot Ethereum ETF soar. A monumental 148 million inflow signals bullish momentum. The world of digital assets is buzzing with excitement as the US Spot Ethereum ETF has just marked a significant milestone, recording a combined net inflow of 148.21 million on July 3rd. This impressive figure, reported by TraderX on X, underscores a growing institutional appetite for Ethereum and signals a pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency market. For anyone tracking the evolution of crypto investments, these latest figures are more than just numbers. They represent a powerful vote of confidence in Ethereum's future and the broader legitimization of digital assets within traditional finance. Before diving into the specifics of the recent capital influx, let's briefly understand what spot Ethereum ETFs are and their significance. A spot Ethereum ETF is an exchange-traded fund that directly holds Ethereum, allowing investors to gain exposure to Ethereum price movements without actually owning the cryptocurrency themselves. This offers a regulated, accessible, and often more secure pathway for traditional investors to participate in the crypto market. This is going to onboard people who don't want to bother making a wallet, making an account, handling their crypto. They don't want to do that stuff, right? So they want someone else to do it for them. This is going to bring in a lot of retail and institutional investors this way. The importance of these substantial Ethereum inflows cannot be overstated. They signify increased institutional adoption, market validation, and enhanced liquidity, also potential price impacts. So unpacking the remarkable 148.21 million in influx, net inflows on July 3rd, paints a clear picture of the market's enthusiasm, while a collective effort. Some players stood out remarkably. Here's the breakdown in the contributions. BlackRock 85 million, Fidelity 64.65, Grayscale 3.9 million. Grayscale had an outflow as well because it's Grayscale. Then they dropped 5.35 million in outflows, and then the remaining ETFs had no change. So primarily BlackRock and Fidelity are the players. This snapshot highlights a concentrated interest from a few major players, particularly BlackRock and Fidelity, which together accounted for the vast majority of the positive inflows. Leading the charge in this impressive Ethereum inflows was BlackRock, which alone garnered a staggering 85.01 million in net inflows. BlackRock, a titan in the asset management industry with trillions under management, I think they're up to 11 trillion now, entering and dominating the spot Ethereum ETF space is a monumental development. Their participation lends immense credibility and scale to the nascent crypto ETF market. The sheer volume of the capital directed towards BlackRock's Ethereum ETF suggests a significant institutional conviction in Ethereum's long-term value propositions and its role in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Following closely was Fidelity, securing 64.65 million in net inflows. Fidelity, another well-established financial powerhouse, has consistently shown a proactive stance in embracing digital assets. The strong performance of Fidelity's Ethereum ETF reinforces the narrative that mainstream financial institutions are not just dipping their toes in, they're actively allocating substantial funds to the crypto-backed product. This competition among major players is healthy for the market, driving innovation and potentially offering investors more diverse options. While the overall picture for spot Ethereum ETFs was overwhelmingly positive, it's crucial to note that the unique situation with Grayscale's Ethereum Trust logged a net outflow of 5.35, and I'm going to skip the rest of that just because I'll sum it up really quick. Grayscale has deliberately and intentionally increased their fees dramatically from everybody else's, and that is why everyone sells their ETFs and their trusts with Grayscale, and then they move over to BlackRock and Fidelity. So I don't know why Grayscale does it. I guess they make good money on it. They did it with Bitcoin's ETF. They did it with Ethereum's ETF. They'll do it with every ETF, right? So what does this mean for Ethereum's price and the broader crypto market? The consistent flow of capital into spot Ethereum ETFs has profound implications for Ethereum's price. Sustained inflows can act as a significant tailwind, increasing demand for the underlying asset. As ETFs accelerate, Ethereum accumulates Ethereum to back their shares. It reduces the circulating supply available on exchanges, potentially pushing prices higher. This mirrors the impact seen with Bitcoin ETFs, which contributed to Bitcoin's rally post-launch. Beyond price, these inflows signal a broader shift in market sentiment. They represent a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as legitimate investment assets, moving them further from speculative curiosities and closer to the mainstream portfolio components. This institutional asset ecosystem, this institutional embrace, could unlock a new wave of capital, not just for Ethereum, but for the entire digital asset ecosystem. It validates the foundational technology and the utility of smart contract platforms like Ethereum, paving the way for more widespread adoption and innovation in DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. While the outlook is overwhelmingly positive, it's also important to acknowledge potential challenges. Market volatility remains a factor, and while ETFs provide a regulated wrapper, they are still exposed to the inherent price fluctuations of Ethereum. Regulatory scrutiny though easing could still present hurdles for future product launches and expansions. Furthermore, competition among ETF providers will intensify, potentially leading to fee wars, and could impact profitability for asset managers but benefit investors. Looking ahead, the success of spot Ethereum ETFs could pave the way for similar products for other major altcoins, further diversifying the institutional crypto investment landscape. The sustained growth of Ethereum's inflows is a strong indicator that institutional capital is here to stay, cementing Ethereum's position as a cornerstone for the digital economy. This trend suggests a future where digital assets are seemingly integrated into traditional financial portfolios, offering new avenues for wealth creation and technological advancement. So, guys, this on top of the fact that the SEC has just created a streamlined process for altcoin applications for ETFs, spot ETFs, tells me that at least the top 50, you're going to start seeing a lot of ETFs get approved, and then you're going to see competition start to kick into high gear with these institutions, guys. I'm excited about it. I hope that you are excited about it too. And guys, listen, if you're looking for an opportunity to learn how to make passive income in crypto, we've had a lot of members over on our Patreon right now who make now enough money through passive income opportunities that we help them figure out over on the Patreon to quit their jobs. Now, they haven't quite hit like 7-figure portfolios yet, some of these people, though we do have 43 people who have hit 7-figure portfolios just this year. The people who haven't, who are just getting started, have managed to get the help that they need from us to be able to make enough passive income to leave their jobs and do crypto full time. So if this is something you're thinking about doing, guys, you want to figure out how to make passive income in crypto, you're definitely going to want to come and join the community over on the Patreon. It's just one more thing that we offer to help set you up for success in crypto. The link is down below, guys. Come and join the community. We're live over there every single day. We drop educational content. We have mentorship coaching calls that you can join absolutely for free as a Patreon member as well. We drop our daily crypto picks over there also, and so much more, guys. We have 8 different chat rooms with thousands of members talking 24/7. Everything you need to be set up for success in this space. Check it out, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.